Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Alex Builds. Today we are back with the Terminator with issue 76. Okay, so issue 76 is one of them issues where you get not too many parts in the packaging, but when you open the book and you look and see what you've got to do with combining all the parts from the last 3 or 4 issues. So let me take you over and show you. So as you can see, we don't get very many parts in there. We just get this nice long die cast piece of the arm here and one of the black rubbers that's going to go inside of that. So when we open up the book, as you can see, there's a fair few steps to do. We're going to be putting this little black rubber into there. Then we're going to be adding the shoulder joint part that we had from issue 73. Adding that in there. Then we're going to be adding the pistons, one from issue 72 and the one from issue 74. And then we're going to be adding the part that we had last week on top of this, just like that, bringing in 2 screws and attaching them together until we've got something that looks a little like that. And coming up next time, it looks like we get the elbow joint here and we get the first finger of the left hand. So a few steps to do today. We're basically completing the whole of the upper arm, just a few little details to go on there afterwards. Also got in the mail recently, I got the next shipment of the DeLorean, so that'll be coming up soon as well. I think that's, what issues is that? 52 to 55 I've got here, and 56 onwards to 59 I think it is on the way. So let's get these parts open and start building. Okay, so here we are, we've got it out of the packaging. And as you can see, it's just like the one for the right arm. This one is die cast as well. So that's very, very nice. So when we turn it over, we've got the back area here. And that's going to be going just like we did in the last issue. This little black piece is going to slot into the top of there, making sure we get this grooved part at the top and the flat part at the bottom. So you've got something that looks just like that. So next, we're going to need this shoulder part. And this is just going to be going straight down on here, so have it that way round, facing down, straight onto the left arm there. Next we need the 2 piston pieces, so we want the longer of the 2 pistons to go this side. That's going to sit just there, and the short of the 2 pistons is going this side, just there. Now we're going to need the part that we made last week, and this is going to slot over and sort of grab all of this onto there. I'm not too fussed about the actual things, because when I did, I think it was issue 3 or 4 or whatever issue it was when we first did it, I found it easier to put this together and then start putting these in. So this smaller one goes this side. As you can see, you've got enough room just to slot that in afterwards, just like that. So we're going to want the longer screw on this side, the shorter screw on this side. So let's get our screwdriver and start securing this down. So down goes our screw. Screwing that down. Now we can do the same with the second piston, slide that into place, and we can just drop our screw straight down into there and screw this together. So there we go, nice and tight, and there we go. That's what we should have with our pistons either side, just like that, and we've got our shoulder joint here as well. Now in the magazine, it hasn't asked us to attach this part in this piston yet. I've just put that in there to keep it storage because I know that's where that's going. So yeah, as you remember from the last one, don't worry about the wobbly pistons too much because when they get attached onto the actual elbow parts and stuff, that sort of stiffens them up. So we don't really have to worry about that. So as I said before, coming up next time, we have got the elbow joint and the first finger of the left hand here. As you can see, we get the replacement pins in here with the sleeves. I won't be using them, that's because I'll be continuing on and using my Model Mods replacement finger joints. That's it guys, that's issue 76 all completed, and I do like it when parts start to come together. And yeah, that's basically what we had issue 76 for, was putting all this together. So yeah, it looks like over the next few issues we're going to be adding 1 or 2 details to the parts that we've got already, as well as starting to make the hand and the lower forearm. So if you like this video guys, please leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on notifications. That'll let you know anytime I put a video out so you don't miss out. So until next time guys, take care, and I'll see you all next time. Take care, bye bye.